That's my little Christmas tree. Luckily, my wife bought a new one this year. This is my flamethrower. I'm gonna turn that into a pile of ash. We're gonna shoot him anyways.
We have Matt right here, photographer, shooting photos, because Troy's got crazy ideas today. I am doing some video stuff. We are setting up the Christmas tree. This is Troy's old tree. Putting some ornaments on here to, you know, keep it festive. It is cold, obviously there's snow. This is his homemade-ish flamethrower, and I'm gonna have him kind of give a quick rundown when it is time on how that kind of works. Do not build this at home by yourself. You can, but I'm not telling you to.
That was kind of hype, right?
That is your warning. So
we're gonna do a melt the ice test first. We're gonna get this thing pressurized up, fill it with some gas, do a function test, make sure I'm not gonna die before I put it on my back, and then I'll put it on my back. Flamethrowers are legal in 48 states besides California and Maryland, so it's completely legal in Michigan.
you look ridiculous.
I am ridiculous, it's okay. Step one, fill the flamethrower up with gasoline. I checked everything, it's all tight. Your CO2 goes in, and the nice thing about this, what makes it pretty safe, is that
It's a one-way
CO2
valve.
is obviously an inert gas, so CO2 is what's in your fire extinguisher. So when this is pressurized, there's no oxygen in here at all. So there's no chance of anything coming back, and it can't ignite in here because there's no air for it to ignite. But no, this actually came from the website, flamethrower.com. I spent $33 in the PDF.
Actual website?
Yeah.
And I spent
Safety precaution.
Safety.
Keep that
Safety.
on hand.
Does it work? When's the last time it's been inspected?
Been a minute, but hopefully it works.
turn that valve
That's
on.
step 2.
Step 2, CO2 is pressurized. Now I'm opening the CO2 to the tank. We're airtight sealed, ladies and gentlemen.
Sweet.
Yay. This is no longer a bomb.
What?
Wait a minute.
Thank you, mate.
This concludes our holiday coverage of the Flamethrower Christmas Tree Experience. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe. And until next year, have a happy holiday.
Happy
and,
birthday,
Merry,
Jesus.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Hope you had fun.
Happy Merry Chrysler.
There we go. From us to you guys. Have a great holiday. And don't do this at home.